So, welcome to the next episode on SAP Business Technology Platform Training. In this episode, we will learn how did we implement end-to-end Fiori application on our OData service built using Java, Spring, and Olingo framework. So what we have done now in today's episode, we've created a relationship between address and vendor. So this is a complex data model where we have multiple entity sets, and this relationship is one to many, which we created in our entity level in our Java Bean, and then we have implemented the address OData agent, which is a dependent entity data. All the CURD key operations were implemented along with writing the relationship of the vendor and address data together. Plus, we have also implemented a association get whenever we get the associated entity data for a vendor, which is address data, then this particular method will be called by Olingo. Now, when we go back and test our application, we can see that we have multiple vendors, and for each vendor, we have this association. So you can click on association and it loads the associated data, perhaps a complex data model where you can have one-to-many relationship. You can also test the post operation using the postman, where you can pass the address data in the post along with the vendor data. So when I say send, it creates both the data together. If you come back, you can also test a get call with the address data together. So let me get a single vendor, perhaps this one. And now I can put question mark dollar format equals to JSON ampersand dollar expand equals to address. Yes. And you can see I'm getting both the vendor data and address data in one shot. Finally, we implemented a Fiori application. In the Fiori application, we are using a direct binding with vendor entity set. That's the greatest benefit you get when we build OData services in Java. So you can get direct binding done with Fiori. So we bind that, the aggregation binding, along with the relative and absolute path. And finally, we also implemented the post operation. To doing a post operation, on click of add button, I'm opening a pop-up with the data binding. And once you click on save button, we're going to post this data to the backend system. And this perhaps is going to create data in my Cloud Foundry. So I will go back to my application, which is running here. And now I can click on add new record, and I can give a company name like Anubhav Trainings, and then I say anubhavtrainings.com, and I can say BDH Market, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, and I'll say save. So you see record has been created, and direct binding loads the data immediately back on my Fiori UI. Fantastic. So that's an end-to-end tutorial of working with Spring, Java, Olingo, OData, Fiori, Spring Boot JPA, and a complete Cloud Foundry application. Good. With that, thank you so much for joining our session today. See you tomorrow at the same time. Have a nice day.